the first vector is a vector drawn like this, and its magnitude is 1 centimeter, and this angle is 60 with positive x on this side, and here, correct? Positive x and positive y. Okay, so how many of you have done it? Wow, very good. That's what is good. Nandini, what's your answer?
A vector is equal to 1.2 I h plus root 3 by 2 j.
Very good, correct. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, because when you do it this way and here you want to find this, so that is ax and this is ay. So for finding ax, you will have to use cos 60 degree. Correct or not? And cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, that's how you do it. Well done. Sit down. Just one thing, if a unit is given, then you should write the unit behind the vector. Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Let's go to second one.
Yes.
Okay, who has done the second one? Raise your hand. Okay, Raghav, what's your answer?
B vector is equal to 2y cap plus 2 root 3 j cap.
B vector, this angle is 30 degree, here is y axis, here is x axis. And magnitude of B vector is 4. 4 isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, Raghav, can you please repeat your answer?
Yes, sir. B vector is equal to 2y cap plus 2 root 3 j cap.
And it would be infinity. Who gets the same answer? Okay, anyone has a doubt or query, question? No? Draw rectangle. This is 30 degree. This is the opposite. Ask yourself, dx or dy?
Yes.
dx. Did you get that?
Yes.
Did you get your? So that's why in dx you will have to use sin 30. So when you use sin 30, 4 by 2 will become 2. Okay or not okay?
Yes.
And then similarly for the other one, when you use dy, you will find by cos 30. What's the difference between this question and this one? Here the angle is given with x axis. Here the angle is given with y
axis.
Method does not change. Is that fine? Okay, so you just have to be careful. Make a triangle and then use trigonometry, right? Well done. Good job. Okay, third one. We've got the answer to the third one. Okay, very good. Yes, Dia.
C vector is equal to 10 I caret plus 10 j caret.
Okay, let me draw the diagram so that. This is C vector. Magnitude is 14.2. So what's your answer? 10
I caret plus 10 j caret.
Who agrees? Who disagrees? Our answer for now. But actually, like root 2 is not 1.42. It is 1.41. If you write it nearly, then it is 10 I caret plus 10 j caret. So if your answer is this, then also it's fine. Okay? Method is clear?
Yes.
અહીંયાથી હોય તેનાથી કંઈ ફરક પડતો નથી. I hope you realize that. Because anyway you have to draw rectangle and complete. Got that?
Yes.
Good job. Good. Alright, next one. Fourth, we've done it. Alright. So the next one. Here was your answer.
Minus 3 I hat plus 3 j caret.
Minus 3 I caret plus 3 root 3 j caret. Nah, એમાં unit અને element. Who agrees? Who disagrees? એટલે ઘણા બધા ડાઉટ છે. બરાબર ને? Question નો meaning ના સમજાય છે. D vector is at 120 degree from where? From positive. So 120 degree measured clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Generally, the angles are measured
Anti-clockwise.
Why so? 120. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. this angle is 120 degree, you can take this angle as 60 degree. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. And then you can find out the component. Alright? Here, so dx will be negative side and dy will be positive.
Positive.
Okay?
Yes.
But thank you. Right? The rest you can finish on your own. Right? Diagram is the main thing. Once you draw diagram, it should be easy. Next one. Number 5, E vector. Well done it. Alright. Jennifer, what's your answer? E vector equal to 2 I caret. Yes, no, who agrees? Who agrees? Who gets the same? Who disagrees? Okay. Right. Yes, Aditya? 2 root 3 I caret. 2 root 3 I caret plus 2 j caret. Who agrees? Okay, who gets a different answer? Rudra? 2 root 3 I caret minus 2 j caret. Who agrees? Alright, who gets a further different answer? No one? See, by variety right answer is one. Okay, let's say what happened with you? Is it fine? Cameraman to complain करे थे क्या बोले? Fine. Can't say it. Okay, so I'm going to draw the diagram and then we'll find it out. But you know, if the confusion is only about minus plus, that can be easily solved. Look at the figure given in the question. The vector E is pointing in which direction? Is it pointing right side or left side? Right side? Sure? And right side is positive x or negative x?
Positive.
Okay, so all the three answers are fine as far as that is concerned. Now look at the vector again. Is it pointing downwards or upwards? Downwards.
Yes.
The y component will be
Negative.
Sure?
Yes.
So we can rule this out. This is definitely wrong.
Yes.
Now it's about value. So I'll have to draw it. It's given like this. This angle is 150 degree. So if I complete this positive x-axis here, this angle is 30 degree. Correct or not?
Yes.
Sure. And this is E vector. So now I have to find Ex and Ey. So I will draw a rectangle. Done. So this is Ex and this is Ey. So for value, sine 30 degree is equal to Ey upon E. Okay. What is E? 4. So that is Ey. Therefore Ey is equal to 4 sine 30 degree. How much is that? 2. Okay or not okay?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
4 sine 30 degree. 4 into 1 by 2. So Jennifer, you can check for your mistake. I cannot predict what you did wrong. Either you put sine 30 degree value wrong or you do cos 30 degree by mistake. अच्छा એવું કઈ કોઈ નથી માની લીધું કે x હોય તો cos જ લેવાનું. I'm warning everyone specifically against this idea. બરાબર? Okay, just clarifying because I've seen in past students sometimes have tried to memorize it that way. કે x હોય તો cos આનો, y હોય તો sin, trying to bypass the learning. લોકોને ગોખો હોય તો અલગ રીતે ગોખી નાખે ને પછી તો આ ગોખી નાખે પછી કોઈક વાર ખોટો આન્સર આવે. Okay, no problem. Fine. Okay, you have understood? Sit down. Aditya, this was your answer? Okay, fine. I'm sure you understood what is wrong. Sit down. Well done. And others, those who got it right. Okay. Next question. 6. Now here on, I think there is a little mistake in copying the question. Not by you. Okay. But I have a photograph of what Bhavika wrote on the board. Okay, so I'm verifying it with that. Yeah, he did it wrong. Okay, so no problem. We will solve it based on what he had drawn on the board. All right. Original question थोड़ो अलग है. Never mind. Question is still a question, right? Number 6. Okay. That's why I asked him to send this photograph to me so I can verify that we are doing the same. So here we have a question like this, that this is x and here is y, and this is 60 degree, and this is vector f. Correct or not?
Yes.
And f has magnitude 8 centimeters. All right. This is the question that you have.
Yes.
You have done it. Very good. Third, what's your answer? Minus 4i caret minus 4 root 3 j caret. Do you agree? Who agrees? Nobody agrees? No support for her? Who gets a different answer? Meet minus 4 root 3i caret plus 4j caret. Who agrees? Who agrees with me? Raise your hand clearly again. Answer to that. The plus no to the Alright, no problem. Let me tell you what's going on here. This vector is pointing towards which direction? Positive x or negative x?
Negative
X. Correct or not?
Yes.
So x component definitely negative. And now pointing towards positive y, negative y? Negative y. So y component also?
Negative.
Negative. Means, I hope you got that. But still, Hertz's answer is not right. Because when we complete the rectangle, I'll say fx. Correct or not? And this will be f. So for y, you have to take adjacent of 60. Yes or no? बराबर है तारा sign मसे clear or not clear?
Yes.
A little bit further.
No.
I am saying that if you want to find fy, then fy upon f will be equal to cos 60 degree. Did you get it?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
So that's why fy is equal to f cos 60 degree. Then how much? F is 8. 8 into 1 by 2. So that is 4. Okay? Fy ma 4 ho jao. That's right. But minus. Similarly, fx will be minus 4 root 3. Let me mistake thing. Clear? It's just minor here, isn't it? Cos number sin થઈ જાય, બધી value ખોટી મૂકાઈ જાય, plus number minus થઈ જાય. આ ત્રણ જ common mistake છે. એવું જ થશે. Just be careful. All right? Sit down. Now, what was the original question? It was this. ઠીક છે? આ angle. Angle. ઠીક છે? કઈ ફરક છે? Who spotted difference? Well, no, paper must spot 6 differences. They just spot 1 difference only. Here the y is positive downward. अब आवे ऊपर આપણે નથી upward positive લેતા અને ઉપર downward positive. So એવી રીતે ખાલી y upward is positive नहीं, not necessary. Sometimes downward also might be positive. Did you understand? So suppose this was the question, then what would be the answer? Then means answer would be correct. Correct? Is it okay or not okay? Because then the y component of this one is fy like this, correct? Which is going towards the positive y direction. समझ पड़ी गई?
Yes.
ઊંધું આવે તો ડરી નહીં જાવ ને. Watch it carefully. Right? I think many of you missed out what's the difference between these two initially. Yes or no? बराबर है? Okay. Well, let's go over to the next question now. Number 7. There, I'm sure you have the right question. So here we have a difference. Can you tell me the answer? Who has got the answer? Okay. Someone what's your answer?
5 plus 12
This is vector G. 5 I caret plus 12 j caret. Who agrees? How do you get there? 5 over 0. Okay. This is 5 given in question?
Yes.
And what else is given? Magnitude of G is 13 given in question. Okay. So if this is 5 and this is 13, then this must be 12. You clear na badai?
Yes.
Okay, others who didn't do it, did you understand now? This is 5, that's given 13, so this should be 12. So 12 j caret, correct? Because it's going up towards the positive y-axis. Method is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go over to the next question now. Number 8. Sit up. Correct. 8th question. Who has done it? Okay, Mishma, what's your answer?
Minus 7 I caret plus 24 j
-7 I caret plus 24 j
caret.
caret. Who agrees? Other answer? Different answer? Anyone? Sit down. Correct. Same logic, isn't it? 5 over 0. Okay?
Yes.
Fine. Number 9. Well done it. Number 9. Okay. Khaki gaya એટલે નો કર્યું પછી કે all right. Yes, Prita, what's your answer?
I vector is equal to minus 10 I caret minus 10 j caret.
Who agrees? Who gets a different answer? Nobody gets a different answer? Okay. I'm interested why others didn't or couldn't do it. Sit down, Prita. Of course, the answer is right. This is I vector, correct?
Yes.
Angle is given. Yes, I think one angle is given. This was here. 45. Okay, this is shown as 10, correct? I hope you understood it right. That's 10. Now, if this is 10, that is which component? I. Is that okay or not?
Yes.
That's the X component. Clear?
Yes.
So, we already know Ix is 10. And in which direction?
Negative.
Left side?
Yes.
That's towards the negative X. Understood?
Yes.
So, this part is already given in the question. You will say that. Now, it's just about Y component. So, how to find Y component or where is the Y component? This is the Y component, yes or no? I, what? So, can you relate this with IY and 45?
Yes.
What should you do?
10.
10, 45?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Or you could say that if this angle is 45 and here we have 90 and here we have 45 of course. Then this is a right angled isosceles triangle. એમાં શું થાય? Both the sides are equal. બરાબર ને?
Yes.
So 10 cm. Got it? By the way, 10 cm. 10 45 degree is 1. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next question. How many of you have done it? Yes, answer what's your answer?
5 I caret minus 5 root 3 by 2 j caret.
J vector is, I hope everyone is writing this on the left side. Name of the vector, okay? 5, what did you say?
I caret minus 5 root 3 by 2. Okay. Second.
Are you talking about a different question? K છે કે J છે? નંબર નહીં, લેટર બોલ.
J. Sorry. J down. Yes, J.
આવું થાય હો કોકવાર MCQs માં, NEET માં. ફર્સ્ટ નો આન્સર સેકન્ડ માં, સેકન્ડ નો થર્ડ માં, થર્ડ નો ફોર્થ માં. છે બધી મોટે મોટું. અરે લાસ્ટ માં ખબર પડી. 180 કરવાની જગ્યા જ નથી. કેવી હાલત થઈ ગઈ છે? બધું આવડું હોય તોય બધે ફટા.
4 root 2 I caret.
ઓકે. પહેલા લેફ્ટ સાઈડ શું છે?
J caret.
4 root 2
I caret.
caret.
Minus 4 J caret.
2 agrees. 2 disagrees. Yes, Anjali, what's your answer?
But J vector is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 3 I caret.
Just a second. Minus 4
Root 3
by 3. Interesting.
minus 4 J caret.
અહીંયા કઈ નથી?
I caret.
હા. Minus
4 J caret.
4j. 2 agrees. કઈ વાંધો નહીં. 2 agrees now. બધું એક જ થાય. એક જ થાય. Yes or no? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Andy, you are not sit down. Sit down. Well tried. This and this means the same thing. Yes or no? Positive આવશે અહીંયા તો
એની વચ્ચે 4 plus 4 J caret.
ચાલો વાંધો નહીં હું ડ્રો કરી લઉં એટલે કન્ફર્મ થઈ જાય. J vector is like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
બરાબર.
चलो 4 पर root 2.
ચાલ બસ ખુશ થઈ still it's not right. કઈ વાંધો નહીં જોઈ. This is J vector. What is its y component? 4. Okay, what is its angle? 30 degrees. Is it fine?
Yes.
Now let's find out Jx first. So for Jx, we'll have to use sin or cos. Or tan.
Tan.
Okay. So tan 30 degree equal to Jx upon 4. Is that okay or not okay?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Therefore, Jx is equal to 4. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So Jx will be 4 by root 3. Now what about Jy is already given 4. So you can understand it. So J vector equal to. Now it's towards downwards and right side, and x is positive that way, y is positive that way. So downwards and right side. So Jx positive. 4 by root 3 I caret. Minus 4 J caret. Clear?
Yes.
And then if you divide and multiply this by root 3, you get 4 root 3 by 3 I caret minus 4 J caret. And the answer what was that? Minus. Now okay, question 11. Is this the answer that you get in question 11? Recycled answer. Is this the answer you are getting? 5 I caret minus 5 root 3 by 2 J caret. Who gets this? My question may okay, no problem. So let's do it according to what you have been given. So x, y, right? Eleven, yes.
सर वाला में 11 में है ना ध्यान से की तो टाइम 5 को हुआ
तो बोलो तो नहीं.
सर પછી જોયો નહીં કોણ
No problem. X here, y here. Okay? એવું જ આપ્યું ને?
Yes.
And k vector is here. And this angle is given 30 degree. And we want to find component. So So what to do? તમારા માટે બહુ easy છે આમ કરી નાખો. Okay or not okay?
Yes.
I don't have that luxury and I don't even need that. Okay, rectangle થઈ ગયું.
Yes.
So this is going to be k what? Ah, ky. And this is kx. Clear?
Yes.
So if this angle is 30 and magnitude of k is 5, so hypotenuse is 5. See, the right angle triangle is like this. Please be careful about it. Did you understand?
Yes.
Any answer? So, pehla kx. Kx upon k. What is it? X upon 5. 5 what? Sin 30 cos 30. Tan 30. Sin 30 cos 30 or tan 30?
Sin 30.
Am I good? This is 30 here and we are finding kx. So, આ શું છે? Opposite છે ને? Sure. So, sin 30. Is that clear? Because 5 is hypotenuse. Don't forget that. 5 is the hypotenuse. Clear? Clear or not clear? હવે તમને ખબર પડી ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રી પ્રેક્ટિસ કરાવડાવ છે કે મેં તમને કીધું હતું ફિઝિક્સ માં આડા અવળા ઊંધા ગમે એવા ટ્રાયંગલ આવશે. This is an example. Right? So kx upon 5 is sin 30. Is that clear or not clear?
Yes.
Therefore kx is equal to 5 by 2. Now similarly ky by 5 is equal to cos 30 degree. So that would be ky equal to 5 root 3 by 2. Okay, now time to write final answer. This is in which direction? Is it in positive x or negative x?
Negative x.
Okay, arm જાય ને તો positive x. This is what you can make very easy by tilting your book. Right? Okay, so our positive x arm છે. So that's why negative x. So final answer is k vector is minus 5 by 2 I caret, and similarly negative 5 by 2 root 3. Who got it right? Well, who got one component right but other wrong? Alright. That was it. That is it. 12. A vector L towards first quadrant with x component 5 cm and making angle 60 with positive y. Well done it. કેમ વર્ડ માં આવે તો ઓછા લોકો કેમ કરે છે? All right. Himanshi, what's your answer? Ly કેમ ખાલી Ly આખું ફાઇન્ડ કરો ને L વેક્ટર ઇક્વલ ટુ Ly Lx બધું એડ કરીને કરો. Who agrees? He said 5 I caret plus 5 root 3 j caret. Who disagrees? Alright. What's your answer?
I caret plus 5 upon root 3 j caret.
5 I caret plus 5 upon root 3 j. Who agrees with her? I think you have made a little calculation. Wait, not sure though. Maripa, what's your answer? Same as? Same as Pragati. Okay. Risha?
Minus 5 I caret plus 5 root 3 upon 3 j caret.
Yeah. You adjust the answer. You made a silly mistake. Okay. What's given in the question? First of all, let's try to understand. There is a vector L towards which quadrant? First quadrant can have.
X and y.
This is X. This is Y. Where is the first quadrant? આમ છે ને क्या? Negative આવે? આવે ને? Okay. There. Sit down all of you. Let's see who's right. With X component 5 cm. X component 5 cm. Is this clear? Yes. It is 5. And then what? Making an angle 60 degree with the
X, y axis.
positive.
Y axis.
સમજાણું ને?
Yes.
Okay. Did you draw the diagram right? Raise your hand if you did.
Yes.
Who has drawn the diagram correct? Okay, wait. Diagram માં mistake થાય પછી તો ન જ answer આવવાનો તો ફિક્સ છે. All right. So what to do now? If this angle is 60, here we complete the rectangle. Okay, ILX to ILX and LY. Clear? So LX we already know. Now time for LY. But we only know this 60 degree. We don't know the hypotenuse. So we'll use what? Time for tan. Tan 60. Okay. So LY LX upon LY, opposite upon adjacent, is equal to tan 60 degree. Did you get that?
Yes.
And LX is 5. LY is tan 60. That is root 3. So your answer is right. So Ly is equal to 5 by root 3. Okay. So final answer will be L vector is equal to 5 I caret plus 5 upon root 3 j caret. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. એમ તેમ કર્યું તો મારાથી એનો થયો. Clear?
Yes.
પૂરા ને? What were they about? Finding magnitude and angle of the following vector. Okay. And when nothing is given, we find angle with what direction have you found the angle? With positive x-axis in all the sums, all the questions? Yes or no? Nine. Then there is a big risk. Huh? Okay, no problem. I'm ready to take that risk. What was the first question you received? Can I get plus 10 j caret? Is that?
Yes.
So A vector is n I caret plus 10 j caret meter.
Yes.
Centimeter. Okay. So magnitude. Raise your hand. Magnitude. Easy. Magnitude तो same જ હોય ને તમે ત્યાંથી કરો. Right. Okay. Yes, Siddharth. 14.1. Calculator use ન કરીએ તો 10 root 2. 10 root 2 આવે છે ને?
Yes.
કે નહીં?
Yes.
Who is getting 10 root 2? Who is not getting 10 root 2? Calculator માં કેટલું બાકીના લોકોએ? root 200 is the calculator. 14.2 એવું. એવી રીતે. I suggest that you use the calculator only when necessary. બરાબર? નહીંતર ટેવ પડી જશે પછી મેં જોયા છે અમુક લોકો કરતા હોય છે કેલ્ક્યુલેટરમાં 5 plus 7 not joking. બરાબર? અને પછી એવું જોયું છે કે એકવાર એવી ટેવ પડી જાય ને પછી કોઈ એમ પૂછે કે what is 19 plus 9? So 38. Okay. 19 plus 9 38 no થાય ને? So be careful. Right? Don't fall into the habit of using calculator every time, even for simple things. So this is what you get. Yes or no?
Yes.
Got the guide. 10 root 2. Got it?
Yes.
Got it or not?
Yes.
Because root of 200. You can take 100 out. So 100 root is 10. 10 root 2 centimeters. Clear?
Yes.
And if you remember root 2 value, you can put it. Then you get nearly the same. Alright?
Yes.
Sit down. Now angle. Angle found. Where found the angle? Where found the angle? Okay. Nandini?
45 degree.
Sorry?
45 degree.
45 degree with what?
Positive x.
With positive.
X-axis.
That's right. 45 degree with positive x-axis. Again, my suggested method is not the formula, but the triangle or the diagram. Right? Draw it this way. This is 10. This is 10. So clearly tan theta is 10 by 10. That is 1. So theta must be 45 degree. Correct. Correct. Sit down. આવડશે ને ભાઈ આવતો?
Yes.
હા. જ્યાં positive આવે ત્યાં તો કઈ છે. બરાબર ને નેગેટિવ આવશે એટલે પછી તમે કન્ફ્યુઝન માં જશો. સેકન્ડ વન b વેક્ટર થઈ ગયું છે. raise your hand whether on it both magnitude and angle yes it's હમણાં રીતિ જ બોલે magnitude 5 who agrees 5 centimeter ને કે 5 meter how many meter and how much angle 53 degree who agrees who gets 37 ખબર છે હશે કોક 37 વાળા કોક તો let's see who is right sit down let's check so here we have got a b vector it is 3i caret and 4j caret so triangle will look like this is it fine yes 3 arm and 4 arm got it now we want to find this angle okay so if you find the angle here let's call it theta. So tan theta equal to 4 by 3. That one thing you could do. Another possibility is sin theta equal to 4 by 5. And 5 આવી ગયો ને એનાથી આવ્યું 5.
Yes.
Did you understand what I've done?
Yes.
So કયો angle હશે? Sin theta 4 by 5, tan theta 4 by 3. Angle is 4 by 5 કેમ આવે? 37 માં 53. 53. So it will be 53 over here. Is that fine?
Yes.
Find કર્યું હોય ને તો 37 આવશે. So those who are saying 37, have you found this angle? Confirm કરજો ડાયાગ્રામ માં છે અહીંયા 37 અહીંયા થીટા લખ્યું છે તો કહેજો નહીતર નો કહેવાય નહીતર અઠે કહેવાય. Is that okay? Fine. So if you know what you are doing, it's fine. 37 degree can be a possible answer, but that would be with which axis?
Y.
Y. And this is 53 degree with positive x axis. સમજાણું? Okay. Next. अच्छा તમને assignment આપ્યું કે નહીં?
Yes.
વેક્ટર
Yes.
આપ્યું ને? મજા આવી ને જોઈને? કેટલો મજા આવી? નો મજા આવી? તો લાવ પાછું. Okay, third question. C vector છે
B vector.
C vector ને કહેવાય કઈ વાત નહીં. My dreams of teaching you English alphabet have been shattered. ચલો વાંધો નહીં. Next one is D. minus 4i caret minus 4j caret meter. શું છે ને?
Yes.
So magnitude, raise your hand, magnitude, real, sorry, root 32 is the magnitude. આવું લખ્યું છે બધાએ d equal to root 32.
Yes.
Okay, but root 32 can be simplified.
4
Root 2. Correct or not?
Yes.
And taking 16 out. બરાબર ને? આ બધું જોશે હો, બહુ ક્લિયરલી કહું છું. તમને એમ થાય કેલ્ક્યુલેટરમાં થઈ જાય સર ઓપ્શન જ આવા એક વાર તમે ક્યાં જાઓ તમે રૂટ 32 કરીને મૂકી દો ઓપ્શનમાં હોય કોઈ તો શું થાય યુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ વોટ આઈ એમ સેઇંગ બોથ આર સેમ બરાબર તો આપ કન્વર્ટ કરતા આવડે એન્ડ એંગલ ઇઝ 45 with what 45 with positive x axis negative or positive sure ખબર કે છે પડી વિથ પોઝિટિવ છે કે વિથ નેગેટિવ ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરો ઓકે સો the vector is in the third quadrant yes or no yes so this angle will be 45 so 45 is with negative x axis with positive x axis કેવું હોય તો minus 130 why minus 135 135 નો આવે 135 આવું છે clockwise angle is considered negative anti-clockwise angle is considered positive okay આ x axis from here you are going clockwise to this one understood so that's why you can write it as minus 135 okay if you don't like this negative so ફરી ના નહીં ના okay so how much is this 225 degree did you understand
Yes.
એક ક્વેશ્ચન માં કેટલા બધા બરાબર ને 45 degree with negative x axis, 225 degree with positive x axis, minus 135 degree with positive x axis. तो बीजा ही था बनाओ. Sit down, Priya. Your answer is correct. All right.
Yes.
आवड़ से आओ.
Yes.
Next. नहीं? पहले हो ना मतलब कि number box कितना करता? हाँ. Okay. Yes, Millie, what's your answer? E vector is 35. के magnitude of E vector is 35. Yes, नहीं? हाँ. E is equal to 35. Who gets there? मुझे तो मतलब 30 आ. 35. Okay, you are right. 35. चलो, and direction maintained है? Billy. What's the angle? 53 degrees. Okay. Sin 53 degrees. Angle find out. Sin करो. Which axis? 53 degree with positive x axis. Who gets that? It is right. Sit down, please. Well done. Have a look here. 28, 21, theta, right angle. Is it fine?
Yes.
Magnitude is already given then. Tan theta equal to 28 by 21. Calculator में तो कर रहे हैं. 4 by 3.
53. Yes.
આ calculator માં કરો શું થાય? The information will be lost. म्हणजे તમને મળશે જ નહીં કે આ 53 degree કેવી થાય? Who got that experience? એટલે જ ના પાડું છું. Use calculator only when absolutely necessary. બરાબર? 4 3 કટ જ કરવાનો હતો ને તો તરત ખબર પડી જાય. Okay, next 6. Sorry, F vector बस. What is F vector? 7i caret minus 7j caret meter. Who got the magnitude? Yes, means 7 root 2 meter. Who agrees? Who disagrees? 0. 0 है कोई ने? प्रगति अरिबा square of a negative number is positive. हमें यहाँ mistake. तो बच्चे minus अभी. Okay or not okay? You understand what I'm saying? Alright. So magnitude is 7 root 2 meter. Angle 45 degree with what? With your type? नहीं है. 45 degree with what? हाँ? Louder. हाँ. 45 degree with negative x axis. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Wrong. Draw કર્યું હતું કે નહીં? Mean અહીંયા ના આવું આમ આ બાદ अच्छा तो 45 डिग्री आ 45 है तो नेगेटिव x की तो ये कई રીતે 45 થાય નહીં ને you understand what I'm saying okay. So answer will be how to write this is this answer correct 45 degree with positive x axis is this answer correct or not correct or not correct yes or no
Yes.
who says yes who says no તમે ક્લબ માં આવો થાય કરો અરે આ ક્લોકવાઇઝ નો થાય 45 degree this is positive x yes or no and this vector is here so clockwise 45 degree anti clockwise clockwise is here from positive x you go here so you are going clockwise or anti clockwise clockwise so clockwise and angles are considered negative or positive
Negative.
ah અરે સીધી જ વાત છે અહીંયા 45 છે તો આવું કહો છો આને શું બે એક જ છે they are different yes or no
Yes.
so this is definitely 45 degree with positive x anti clockwise and this one is minus 45 degree with the positive x-axis. Did you understand?
Yes.
Confused no tha humsa. Positive angles are those which are measured anti-clockwise. અહીંથી આમ જાવ તો anti-clockwise +45 અને અહીંથી નીચે જાવ તો -45. Did you understand? Me? No confusion? Everything clear? Okay, sit down. Well tried. ચલો હવે આગળ આ કયો હતો F હતો ને હવે G. G માં magnitude raise your hand કોને આવ્યું magnitude of G. બાકી બધા 10 ની ફોર્મ્યુલા ભૂલી ગયા ને નહીં બાકી બધા કહો છો જેને આન્સર નથી આવતો એની વાત કરું ઓકે હસ્તી વોટ યોર આન્સર કે રીતે બને તમને કે નંબર જ નથી આપ્યા બોલ તો ક્વેશ્ચન શું છે हाँ मीटर हाँ तो मैग्नीट्यूड क्या है ओके પછી એટલે cos square theta हाँ चलो પછી प्लस ओके वेरी गुड value of so 1 क्या दिया value तो चेंज नहीं 1 क्या दिया है अरे एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला trigonometric identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to याद आयु इसको क्या दे दिया okay or not okay yes what is it fine
Yes.
and angle खतरनाक है theta angle is theta no થાય જો આવી રીતે ડ્રો કરો this is G this is Gx and here is Gy what is Gx cos theta what is Gy sin theta તો આ angle ને suppose આપણે theta ન કહેવું we don't want to confuse ourselves આને alpha કહેવું alpha all right
Yes.
okay so tan alpha તો tan alpha theta how to find tan alpha how to find tan alpha opposite upon adjacent opposite એટલે sin theta upon adjacent cos theta so this is equal to tan tan alpha is tan theta alpha is theta so the angle that it makes with the x axis is theta is that okay
Yes.
ચક્કર ના થઈ ગયા ને કઈ નહોતું ને ઈ જ આન્સર આવતો તો પાછો we realize that okay h વાળો કરજો એમાં મજા આવશે એમાં વધુ ચક્કર આવશે all right sit down turn it on